If you're seeing an itch.io error message and you're not sure what's causing it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. Whether you're getting the message, there was an error with your request, you're stuck in a human verification loop, or you're seeing an SSL protocol error, these are usually simple issues you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's talk about the most common issue, the error message that says, there was an error with your request. This is usually caused by a temporary network problem or a server-side issue on itch.io's end. The first thing you should try is refreshing the page and waiting a few moments before trying again. If that doesn't work, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and sign in again. Sometimes cache data can block the page from loading properly. If the problem still continues, try switching to a different internet connection. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or if you're on one network, try another one if possible. This can help rule out a network routing issue. Now, if you're using the itch.io desktop app and you're stuck in an endless human verification or app verification loop, the best solution is to log in through your normal web browser instead. Open Google Chrome or another updated browser, go to itch.io and sign in there first. Make sure your browser is fully up to date and also check that the desktop app itself is updated to the latest version. In many cases, the app loop happens because the app session isn't syncing correctly with the browser login, so using the browser first can break that cycle. After logging in successfully on the web, go back to the desktop app and try again. If the verification loop still appears, close the app completely, reopen it, and sign in one more time after confirming everything is updated. Next, if you're seeing ERR_SSL_protocol_error, this usually points to something on your computer or network interfering with the secure connection. The most common causes are a firewall, antivirus software, or even your internet service provider blocking or filtering the connection to the download server. To fix this, start by checking your antivirus settings and temporarily disabling any web protection or SSL scanning features. Some security programs inspect secure traffic and can cause this exact error. If that doesn't help, check your firewall rules and make sure itch.io or the download page is not being blocked. You can also try loading the page in a different browser to see whether the issue is browser specific. If the error only happens on one network, then your ISP or router settings may be causing the problem, so switching networks can help confirm that. Another useful step is to restart your router and computer, since a fresh network session can sometimes clear the connection issue. If you want a quick order of attack, do this. First clear your browser cache, then try a different network, then test the website in a fully updated browser, and finally check your firewall and antivirus settings if the SSL error keeps happening. That approach usually solves most itch.io request and connection problems without needing anything complicated. Once everything is working again, you should be able to browse, log in, and download normally without being stuck on repeated errors. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.